I started my YouTube channel in 2020 during COVID, and after posting for a while, I got very discouraged because I wasn't getting enough views, I was not yet monetized, and I felt like I was wasting my time. I felt very, very discouraged, and like I just really felt like I was wasting my time and just wasting my efforts, my resources, and everything, and I got very discouraged. So what I did was I gave myself a target and I told myself that I was going to post valuable content. I was going to post content that I know would be of benefit to the people that are going to watch it, even if it's just one person. And then basically I want to do YouTube because I feel like the information I have or the experience I have over the years, I can like put it out there and help people. And then also like YouTube is a platform that allows me to document my daily life, and it is something I love to do regardless of whether I'm getting views or not. But then you know one thing with putting in effort and not seeing like results, and there's something with views that you just want to feel encouraged that people are watching your videos. And even if people are not watching your videos, you just want to maybe be making money out of it because you're putting in your efforts, your resources as well, and your time as well, which is like very important. So you have to be getting something in return. Like if you do something for 1 year, 2 years, and you're not like seeing anything in return, sometimes you would feel like, or most times you would feel like you're wasting your time. So that was what happened to me, or that is what happened to me after posting for a year plus, and I was not getting enough views and my channel was not yet monetized. So I gave myself that target of posting over 100 videos, and if after posting 100 videos and trying to make sure that the videos I'm going to post would be of valuable information, like that would be valuable to someone or to the people that are going to watch it. And then something else that helped me was I told myself that okay, I'm going to post maybe 5 videos in a month. Like I splitted it. I was going to post like 5 videos in a month, maybe 1 video in a week, just depending on if I have enough time. But I was going to try to post 5 videos in a month. That is what I told myself, and I went through my videos, and the videos that were not really like valuable, I had to put them on private, and I started to plan the content I was going to record. And then I started to focus more on posting informational content, and then I was focused more on trying to reach my target of 100 videos. And I kind of like, my mind was not so focused on the views I was getting or all of that. I was now focused on trying to reach my target, because I told myself that if after posting over 100 videos and I don't see enough results, I would know that I have tried. Like if after posting over 100 videos, I would know that okay, maybe I've done my best, and I would see what the future holds. But the thing, or like my main focus, was to post over 100 videos, and I did not really like focus so much on the views. So I was making sure I was posting videos that are valuable, maybe from my experience, or maybe information or things which I've learned. I'm going to like put them out there, and then that is when the magic happened. The thing is that my channel got monetized, and I did not even like, you know this thing when I say that when you don't like, when you're not paying attention to something, that is when you get that thing, like when you are not really focusing on that thing. So that is when the magic happened, and my channel got monetized in June, July, I think July 2023. I was so excited, like I was so happy, because one thing with YouTube is that you need to get the requirements, the monetization requirement, before your channel can get monetized. And that requirement, you have to achieve that requirement within a space of 1 year. So if after 1 year you don't meet that requirement, you have to start afresh again, like you have to start over to meet that requirement within a specific time of 1 year or so. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the basic information you have to know about starting a YouTube channel. So this video is for anyone who wants to start a YouTube channel. This video is for my younger self, anyone who has been on this YouTube platform and feels like you're not getting enough results, or feel like you are wasting your time, or feel like you are not seeing the reward of your labor, or you are not seeing the benefits out from YouTube. And then the day before yesterday, I guess, because today is Saturday, the day before yesterday, I watched a video, and this girl talked about being on YouTube for 10 years before getting monetized. And I was like, wow. So me that got monetized in 3 years, and I was like shouting, this is someone that has been on YouTube and got monetized after 10 years. The thing is that if you are doing something repeatedly and you are not getting results, you're going to feel very discouraged. That is the truth. So I'm going to be talking about like the basic information you need to know about YouTube, the truth about YouTube, the payments, monetization, and every single thing about owning a YouTube channel. And then also, if you want to start a YouTube channel, I recommend you watch this video and watch this video to the end. So if you're finding this information valuable, feel free to like, please share this video to someone you know that this video would be beneficial to, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, what is YouTube? YouTube is a video sharing service where users can watch, like, share, comment, and upload their own videos. So personally, I see YouTube as an informative platform. I also see it as an entertainment platform, and then I see it as a means of making money for so many persons, because YouTube is a platform where you can come to get information, you can come to be entertained, and then you can upload your own videos and you can make money from it. And then to own a YouTube channel, you have to be above 13 years to own your YouTube channel. But then if you're younger than 13 years, you can own a YouTube channel with the aid of a guidance or your parents. If you're in Africa, if you're in Nigeria specifically, you can get paid from owning a YouTube channel, and you can own your own YouTube channel and get paid from owning a YouTube channel. YouTube is a platform for everyone. So regardless of your race, regardless of where you come from, regardless of your background, you can own a YouTube channel. As long as you don't go against the YouTube guidelines, you can own a YouTube channel and you can be paid from YouTube. Literally everyone can be paid on YouTube as long as you meet the YouTube monetization threshold, and as long as you get over a specific amount, you can be paid on YouTube. So let's talk about what monetization is. Monetization is being able to monetize what you're doing. So if it is on the YouTube platform, it is being able to monetize your videos so that you can be paid from the videos you upload. If you own a blog channel, you can be also paid from the content you put out there. If you are a content creator, you can monetize your skill and you can start being paid from it. So that is what monetization is. So on YouTube, you need to reach the YouTube monetization threshold, which is basically you having over 1,000 subscribers and having 4,000 watch hours to start getting paid on YouTube. So you need to have over 1,000 people subscribe to your channel, and then you need to have over 4,000 watch hours over the past 365 days. That is like over 1 year to get your channel monetized. So once you reach this threshold, you are going to be notified by YouTube that, hey Ezoluchi, you have reached the YouTube monetization threshold. So if you now want to monetize your channel, you can go ahead and monetize your channel. And then, by the way, there are people who are on YouTube who reach the monetization threshold but don't want to monetize their channel, which is optional, right? So you can reach the threshold and don't want to get your channel monetized. So when you reach the threshold, YouTube tells you that, or updates you that your channel has been monetized. So you can now go ahead to apply for monetization. So when you now apply for monetization, YouTube go through your videos, they go through your content and everything to make sure that you don't go against their guidelines or their rules and regulations. And once they're sure that you have not gone against their guidelines and everything, you will get a notification that your channel has now been accepted into the YouTube partner program. That's like one of the most exciting news for anyone that owns a YouTube channel, like getting accepted into the YouTube partner program. Like when I got accepted, I was so happy, I was so excited. But then that doesn't end there, because when you get accepted, you need to know another information, which is how to get paid, and then also how the money can now appear into your bank account, and then how the whole payment and everything is being calculated. So that's the third thing we are going to talk about, and then the different ways in which you can be paid on YouTube. So if you're watching this video and you find this video valuable so far, please subscribe to my channel. Let me give you a few minutes. Just click on that red button to subscribe. Thank you very much. When you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program, then you have to verify your name, you have to verify your address, and then also you have to like input your bank details. And then to, if you are in Nigeria, right, if you're in Africa, basically YouTube pays you in dollars because they pay you from Ireland, I guess. So they pay you in the dollar currency. So you need to have a dollar account to be paid. So you can just walk into any bank and open a dollar account, and then you input in the bank, your bank name, your bank details, and everything. And then another thing that is important is your YouTube verification. So make sure you complete this process. If not, your channel will be demonetized. So make sure you go through the whole YouTube verification process. If you want to watch a video that explains everything, a link will be in the description, or I'm going to put the link up here. My channel got demonetized. So you just have to make sure that after monetization you don't rest. When you can now relax is after your verification. You're sure that the money is now coming into your account, so you have to complete the whole verification process. And then feel free to watch that video down there. I made that video after my channel got demonetized because I had to like quickly do the verification process and all of that, so that video explains it better. So feel free to watch that video. The link is in the description.